welcome back to Fusion Carbon, where we repair, build, fix anything that's metal. Today we got a barbecue pit we're going to be working on. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, that'd be great. If you've been here, hit the like button, thumbs up, ring the bell, do all that crazy crap. Anyway, we're going to get to it. Got this pit right here, we need to just start chopping on it. Let's go. Pretty interesting burning pit. just right. Now we gotta do the legs and the wheels. We'll be able to roll it around and get it out of the garage for now. So let's get to it. So I'm going to use this angle finder. I don't know. Oh, it's an angle finder. It's got a set of numbers down here. You move this and it tells you the angle you're at. So I'm going to use this to determine what angle I want the legs to be at, and that way I know how to cut them to get them in the right spot. Design a plate that I can cut on the plasma cutter to fit this so I can bolt it on. Be back in a minute. That's the plate for the feet. So it's dark as fuck outside right now, can't really see me, but I've been cutting some stuff on the chop saw, trying to get the angles right for these feet. Right now we just reset the angle for the bottom plate, so that way I'll explain it later how to get that angle if you're just kind of guessing like I'm doing. But we're going to chop those up and then weld them onto that pit and hopefully be done for the day. I can't really get any video of it. My camera's kind of limited right now. I need to figure out a way to get a constant charge on the or constant voltage to the camera. I mean, it's plugged into the wall right now. I'm kind of limited to how far I can move it, manipulate it and whatnot. But so I'm just gonna get these cut and weld them on the pit, and I'll show you that after it's done. Alright, so we're about to lower this pit down. As you see, I got all the legs on it. I'm 100% to hold its weight. Only thing I don't know is if it's gonna roll straight or not. Oh my God. That's so much better. Yes. Yes. Very nice, very nice. I like a lot. I like a whole lot. Sir. Digging it, digging it. Legs look a little bit crooked, but they don't look like they're flat. Maybe I've cut those tacks and then out a little bit, but as it says now, it rolls very nice. Compared to how it was when it got here, I'll show you a picture of that right here. Well, it turns out I didn't actually have a picture, just of the stuff I cut off. And y'all saw that, how that looked. So. But as far as like having a roller finally, that's